Now, dear student, I am going to start about longitude and time. According to the name of the topic, longitude and time, it means longitudinal line used for calculating time. But before going to start this topic, little bit introduction lecture is important here. During the ancient time, people estimating time with the help of natural event. It means event which happened in nature. Same event they will use for calculating the time. For example, position of sun. You might be observed during the daytime, early morning, sun rises in the east, and according to time differences, sunlight start to move upward. One time come during the day, sunlight directly overheaded straight position. By this way they calculate the time. When sun directly straightly overheaded, then they calculate the mid time of the day, and by following the sunlights towards the west direction through a decreasing manners, they also calculate the time. By this way they also calculate the time, estimate the time by the changes in the seasons and by following the day and night. But scientifically proved that time we can calculate according to the position of longitude. Here is written some fact which is very essential to know you that. Here I have written 15 degree. Multiply 4. Thereafter written 60 minutes. And 60 minutes you well know. 60 minutes means 1 hour. In 1 hour 60 minutes. Here written 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. And here written 360 degree longitudes 24 hours. What are the fact about this data? Actually, sun directly overheaded on the earth surface, but all the earth surface not going to receive on the same time sunlight, because earth is rotating, moving from west to east direction. Earth moving from west to east direction. That is why, due to the rotation of the earth's surface, different longitude receive sunlight in different time. You can understand by this way. Suppose this one is the sun, position of sun. Sunlight directly overheaded on the earth, but earth is rotating by this way, Then what happened? Different longitude of the earth's surface not receive sunlight on the same time. Front side longitude now this time receive the sunlight, but this longitudes move according to the movement of the earth. Then another number of longitude receive the sunlights. Earlier we have studied what? The total number of longitude is 360, because from 0 degree longitude eastward direction, by following 1, 2, 3, 4, the last number longitude is 180, and from 0 degree to west direction, by following 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, the last number of longitude is 180. 180 from 0 to east direction and 180 from 0 to west direction. When we add these number 180 east and 180 west, then total number become 360 degree longitudes. And these 360 degree longitude receive sunlight within 24 hours, because within 4 hours our earth complete one rotation. One rotation completed. It means sunrises and sunset take place within 24 hours. So by this way we can say, that is why written 360 degree longitude completed in 24 hours. It means 1 degree longitude from the 0 to 1 degree longitude. How many time take place for receiving the sunlight? 4 minutes. If 1 degree difference is 4 minutes, so 15 degree longitude receives sunlight after how many time? 1 degree receive after 4 minutes, within 4 minutes. So 15 degree receive 15 multiply 4. Do you understand? 1 degree refers 4 minutes. So 15 degree refers 15 multiply 4. It means 60 minutes. It means 1 hour take place for crossing 15 degree. By this way we can say, and we can follow one calculation. Suppose on 0 degree longitude, which passes through the Greenwich in London, time is 12 o'clock. It means noon time. 12 p.m. time on the 0 degree longitude. What time become on the 30 degree east longitude? 30 degree east longitude receive what time? What time happened here? It means if 1 degree cross within 4 minutes, so 30 degree multiply 4 is equal to 120 minutes. And minute we can convert by dividing 60. Then we receive 2 hours. It means time lag between 0 degree longitudes to 30 degree east longitude is 2 hours. So here we calculate difference of time from 0 to 30 degree, from 0 to 30 degree east. Now we can add the calculating time in the first time. Time on the 0 degree longitude 12 noon and calculation is 2 hours. Then we add here 12 plus 2 become 14. It means 14 means what? After 12, 1 p.m. means 13, 2 p.m. means 14. So time will here near the 30 degree east is 2 p.m. B side, if we change the position, if we draw here one line and given value 30 degree west, then what happened? Calculation similar for this data also. We got 2 hours, but as we know, from 0 degree towards the east direction time will increase, and from 0 to east west direction time will decrease. So 2 hours minus from the 12. Then what happened? 10 a.m. It means here time is 10 a.m. Do you understand? Thank you.